do have a lot of heat that is on the way to eastern Iowa, and we're going to be seeing temperatures go up, and not just that, the potential for triple-digit heat index values, and that's meaning how it's going to actually feel outside because of the heat and the humidity. Right now, heat advisories are off to our west still, but I am expecting those to be expanded to the east eventually this week at some point, probably by Wednesday, if not Thursday, because of the hot temperatures coming. And we're going to have temperatures going up each day here with highs that will be in the 90s. And then when you tack on the humidity levels, we're talking about it actually feeling like the triple digits at times, close to it Tuesday and then into those triple digits Wednesday and Thursday. That's some serious heat. And if you work outdoors, you are planning to do anything outside, you want to make sure that you are taking plenty of breaks inside, drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, wearing light colored clothing, and especially thinking about those RAGBRAI riders that are going to be coming across the state, because this heat is unfortunately not going to be letting up. We do have right now a bit of a hazy start to the day too, because we also have wildfire smoke has moved back into our skies, so you'll notice that out there, and maybe a little bit of fog as well. We do have clear skies outside of that though, and it's going to be a sunny day today. Temperatures are starting off around 60 degrees and the humidity levels are about at the same too, but that's all going to be going up here over the next few days. Temperatures this afternoon are going to be nearing 90 degrees, and we're going to have sunny skies, dry conditions. We will have the humidity levels in that sticky range, but they go up toward the gross and uncomfortable range here as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that's why we're talking about those heat index values getting into the triple digits and staying there. We will have an indication there of some moisture around if we have those humidity levels up, but we also do have a pattern that tends to suppress thunderstorm activity, and we're likely not going to see much outside of maybe some isolated showers and storms over the next few days. Nothing that seems very organized, but what we do have to watch out for in this pattern is anything that develops that is right on the edge of the heat, because that's where some heavy rain and even some strong storms could happen, which is exactly what's occurring in eastern Nebraska and western Iowa this morning. But for us, it seems like we're not really going to see much overall over the next several days. When you are under this big old area of heat, that tends to lead to the suppression of thunderstorm activity, because clouds want to cool as they rise, and once they meet that heat, they just can't grow anymore. So as this heat stays in overhead through the week and into the weekend, we're just not going to see much out of it. As we get into next week though, there's going to be some troffiness, this low pressure that comes in and starts to knock that heat back to the south and west, and we'll see some of that warmth fade away a little bit, but it's still going to certainly be toasty around here. We're going to be climbing up through the 90s toward the 100-degree mark, at least close to it, by the middle and end of the week. Minimal rain chances too, and then still toasty, but the heat backing off some as we head into the weekend.